What do you want? $1 million now or 1 cent that doubles every day for the rest of your life? Look, 1 cent turns to 2 cents. 4 cents turns to 8 cents. $50 turns to $100. $1,000 turns to $2,000. 50,000 turns to 100,000. And $1 million becomes 2 million the next day. Do you see where I'm going with this? Doubling your cash over the long term is way more effective than $1 million now. And that's the biggest mistake 90% of people make when they start an online business. Instead of finding a business model that's going to last you a lifetime, they fall for opportunities they promise to make them $1 million overnight. It's not going to work. I've been there. I want you to find a business model that you know will last a lifetime and that's going to give you the financial and time freedom that you deserve. That's exactly what I was able to do when I started my online business. If you want my help to leave your 9 to 5, just comment freedom down below or click the link in my bio.